Okay, this is my little Polar-Aire 4-inch desk fan, and see, it's very dirty. I had this thing since June or July of 2012, and it would work intermittently. And I know it's filthy, so I'm going to clean it. And it would work intermittently when it wanted to. I'd have to move the wire around, and just did it again. So I found out that this wire here was actually kind of loose. It is unplugged. I think it was a switch, and when I moved the wire, it cut in and out. When I would push the switch a certain way, it would cut in and out. Well, I found out what was wrong with it. The wire fell off the switch, so I'm gonna have to. Hopefully, it didn't take the terminal of the switch off with it. So I'm gonna have to take it apart and clean it. It also rattles quite a bit. It still spins good. The motor's actually still warm from running. It's a very good little fan, I gotta say. So I'm just gonna take this apart and clean it. Well, cleaning it's the second thing. I've had it for 4 years without a problem, and most of this dust is from the last 6 months. It runs a lot. The blades are very dirty, so they should just pull off. The blades are off. There's the little motor. I'm gonna put a little oil in that, especially and clean the shaft, especially because it does rattle. And there's the motor information. I think it was like $8 at Ace Hardware, and I bought it years ago. So I'm just gonna turn it around and take these two screws out to hold this little cover on.